Real winter cold has arrived, and our feet suffer the most from it. Today, I will show you a simple but very effective trick that helps keep your feet warm even at temperatures down to -30 degrees Celsius. You will need just one thing that almost everyone has at home and that we usually throw away. And that's not all. At the end, there will be an additional useful tip, so be sure to watch the video until the very end. When you eat a chocolate bar, the wrapper almost always goes straight into the trash, and that's a mistake. The foil from a chocolate wrapper can become an excellent insulator for your shoes. Take the foil, carefully unfold it, and smooth it out. If the foil is too thin, fold it into 2 layers. Then take your shoe, remove the original insole, and trace its outline onto the foil. Cut the foil along the line. Friends, write in the comments where you are from. I am from Croatia, and I love meeting people from all over the world. Thank you. Now the most important part. Place the foil inside the shoe with the shiny side facing up. The foil reflects heat back to your foot and prevents cold from coming through the sole. Then simply place the original insole back on top. Done. The process is very simple. These homemade insoles retain heat very well and protect your feet from the cold. But that's not the only benefit. How many times have you worn cheap slippers with very thin soles and felt the cold coming through your feet after just a few minutes on a cold floor? This problem disappears instantly. You can place the same foil insoles into your slippers and you will never feel cold feet again. And the best part is that this solution is completely free. Dear viewers, I hope this tip was useful for you. We would be very happy if you share this video with others and subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts, and warm winter wishes.